Hey there, it's Darl, and welcome to Automatic Business. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new opportunity into your pipeline in Go High Level. Let's start. So, from the left hand menu, click on Opportunities, and then click Add Opportunity in the top right. Here, we choose the pipeline and stage we want this lead to start in. For example, new lead. Next, you can select the contact or create a new contact by entering their name, email, and phone. So this is how we're going to do that. And then put in the phone number. You can also provide or put in the opportunity value if you already have the information. And once you click create, that opportunity appears right into your pipeline, ready to be tracked and moved through the following stages. There you go. This opportunity is now under new lead, and that's how easy it is to create a new opportunity into your pipeline and Go High Level. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.